Hey there, today we're going to look at how to enable auto dubbing on YouTube. So let's get started. First, go to your channel icon and then head over to YouTube Studio. Over here, you may be invited to use the feature. If you go to your dashboard, you might see an invite as a notification. If you're not invited and need to enable it manually, go to Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. After that, go to Upload Defaults, then tap on Advanced Settings. Once you're here, scroll down and you'll see Automatic Dubbing. Then you can allow automatic dubbing by enabling the toggle. After that, decide if you want to manually review the dubs before publishing. If you leave the checkbox unchecked, the dubs will go out automatically. But if you want to manually review them, tick the box. You can choose to review all languages or just the experimental ones. I usually keep it on review the experimental languages only. Then click Save. This will enable dubbing for all your future videos and also apply to past videos. If you go to the details section of any video, you'll see the languages section. Over here, you can check your dubbed voice once it's processed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.